I am in Beckley, West Virginia. I have never been in this Goodwill here. I just finished up with class, and funny story, my rental car this time is a sports car. It's a Miata. I usually don't get sports cars, but I got one and I was all excited about having a convertible, putting the top down, and it is currently 37 degrees here and it is supposed to snow, so no top down today. Anyway, I am now at Goodwill. I'm going to go in here and check it out, and we will see what we can find to thrift and flip for a profit. Alright, so I headed to Linens, and I have already found a couple of throws, and they really are priced well. They are $2.99 each. Actually, I'm going to put this one back. I see some spots on it. So I'm going to put this one back. But I did find this other one. It is a snowman throw. It has good comps. It does have a few places. Guys, I'm glad you helped me look. This one has spots too, so just a lesson here. I was getting ready to keep these and I found spots, so we'll keep looking. They were just put out today, so I thought maybe I had found something good, but we'll keep looking. I found these two Cardinal winter scene throw pillows, and it's $2.99 for both of them, which is actually a great deal. Looked up comps, and these look to be good as far as comps, so I'm going to go ahead and grab these two. Now, something I have noticed about this store, they put a lot of things above the racks, so I think I'm going to have to do some digging to find things. Oh yeah, for example, here is a throw, and instead of being hung in the linens, it's actually just kind of thrown up there. What is this? This looks like, oh, it's the footprints in the sand. I feel like it's got something under it. Oh, it's got like a plastic. Alright, let me comp this and see what I can find. So comps on this looked good, and it looks like, I guess $4.99 is going to be the price for it, which I think is a fair price. So a perfect example of how you just kind of have to start digging. You don't know what you're going to find. So I'm going to keep digging and see what we find next. This looks like some kind of flag. They do have the music blaring in this store. You can hear it. So we'll have to be careful about that. So it looks like the things they have up here, it's just kind of a hodgepodge. And look, there's the speaker, so that's why it's so loud. So let me see if I can get away from the speaker and we'll look for some more stuff. I'm going to try something new. I found this sand and fog candle. It's basically new. I checked it and it's not been burned. I've seen other people sell candles, but I've never sold a candle before. It is $4.99, which is a little more than I'd like to pay, but you know what? I think I'm going to try it. Let me check something, though. It feels like it's kind of moving in here. I don't know if that matters. I don't know. What do you guys think? It kind of pops out of there, but I think that's probably just, I don't know what to do. I'm going to put it in my buggy. I checked comps. Comps are good. I'm going to put it in my buggy and think about it. So I'm still kind of looking. I kind of get overwhelmed because I'm looking at clothes and anything that is above the clothes, and it's kind of a mixture of all sorts of different things. I did go through the belts. Didn't really find anything there that caught my attention. Now I'm kind of just going through. Looks like this is all men's clothes and shoes. I went through the women's sweaters. You know, I've been on a cashmere sweater hunt. Didn't find any cashmere sweaters. I have not spotted any swimsuits at this store, so that's something I've been picking up quite a bit here lately. Still just kind of browsing. So I've basically been through the store. Now I'm just kind of going back for a sweep to see what I've missed, because I'm sure there's going to be things that I didn't see this first walkthrough that will catch my eye the second walkthrough. I'm just kind of checking things out, and unfortunately it's starting to snow here, so I'm going to have to wrap up my visit whether I'm ready to or not. So overall, this store had some good prices. I did find a few purses that just kind of had a lot of wear. That's been the only issue, is that some of the things I've picked up that I thought I would buy, when I looked at them closer, I could see that they had like spots and things. So I had to put back some things that I originally planned to get. Those are kind of interesting tapestry pillows. And if I had more time to look, I have no doubt that I could find some more goodies. I need to up my game as far as stuffed animals are concerned, because there's a lot of money to be made when you can spot the right kind. Oh, he's cute. Even if he's not a special thing, he's cute. So I need to kind of familiarize myself with some stuffed animals and some things to look for specifically. I looked at this guy earlier, but comps on him weren't great. So it is the next day. If you will remember, yesterday we were at Goodwill. I told you guys it was snowing. You can see my little convertible way down there in the parking lot. My school that I was supposed to teach at today was out for snow, and I am packing up. Need to check out by 11, and I am heading to Weston, West Virginia. Weston, West Virginia. So hopefully it'll be a little better there, and I've already checked. There's a Goodwill close by. So next stop, Goodwill in Weston, West Virginia. made it over the river and through the woods and through the snow. So let's go in and see if we can find some goodies. I have a good feeling. I'm expecting to find some great things. So let's see if my feeling is correct. So our color tag of the week is red. So that means anything that is red is 50% off. 50% off. So, I don't sell a lot of dresses, but I like to look at dresses for myself. I picked up a lot of church clothes at Goodwill. And most of the time dresses are anywhere from $6 to $10. It just really depends on the Goodwill. Sometimes I will pick up dresses if it's something that's like new with tags. It just kind of depends. I've been on a long dress kick lately. Kind of looks like a sweater dress. This is new with tags, $59. Emerald Sunday, I think is what it says. So, unfortunately, it looks like all their belts are $4.25, and I love to pick up belts. But I have a hard time paying $4 or more than $4. But I'm going to look through these. I might find something that I just can't pass up. But generally, if they're over $4, I just am too cheap to pick them up to resell. But like I said, we never know what we might find. And remember, red tags are half off. There's a red tag. We'll see. I don't see a name brand on it. There's another red tag. And that one's kind of got a lot of wear to it. Alright, we'll move on to our next step. So, unfortunately, scarves are high too. They're like $4.25, and it says they are not included in the color of the week. So, a little disappointing that my belts and scarves are both more than I like to pay, but I'm sure we'll find something else. So unfortunately, hard goods are kind of like. So apparently everything in here is $4.25, or almost everything. And like hard goods, they don't count for the color of the day. So might be a little challenging. We will keep looking. Not sure what that is. Let's see if I can figure that out. So I found the game, Deal or Duel. It is new in the box. going to pay $3.50 for that. And then I found, hold in here, this little sheep. He's a standing sheep. I cannot find anyone like him, but I think he is cute. He caught my eye, and I think, let me get my glasses on, I think somebody would like him. He's just so cute. And he's only $3.50. So I'm going to get him. And then I am still kind of making my way through the stuffed animals. And of course I'm attracting people.
That's actually a backpack.
So I'm still trying to figure out how to identify the stuffed animals that are valuable. So that's a new area that I'm trying to educate myself on right now. Oh, this is cute. He's a little mouse. I guess somebody made him. He's cute.
Yeah, that's what it is. You're right. That's what it is. Look how cool this is, Amy.
I did find a couple of tapestry throws, but nothing that really had great comps. Oh, here's a Christmas one. Let's see what this has on it. I haven't looked at this one. Somebody is obviously not happy. Christmas morn. Christmas morn. Oh, but they no, they didn't. Hang on. I'm gonna sit you right there while I spread this out so that I don't make you. Oh, this is neat. Hang on. I love this. It is actually a nativity tapestry throw. Love was born on Christmas morn. Oh, I'm not even gonna look this up. I really like it. Let's see what the price is. $5.30. This deserves a good home.